Have you ever wondered what exactly defines an entrepreneur? It is more than just starting a business, it is a specific way of thinking. At its core, an entrepreneur is someone who identifies a problem and creates a unique solution, usually by building a company from the ground up. With over 33 million small businesses in the United States, entrepreneurs are the primary engine for job creation and market innovation. Successful entrepreneurs share common traits like high risk tolerance, a drive to innovate, and the resilience to push through early-stage failures. Unlike employees who often trade labor for a predictable salary and benefits, entrepreneurs trade stability for the possibility of unlimited growth and autonomy. Entrepreneurship is a challenging path. Data shows that roughly half of all new businesses remain operational after 5 years. There is a popular saying that entrepreneurship is about working harder upfront to secure more freedom, though the reality is rarely that simple. Whether you are building a side hustle or a startup, understanding the risks is key. Subscribe for more money basics and follow along.